Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to buy crypto on Luno step by step. Step 1, open the Luno app first. Open the Luno app and tap on Portfolio at the bottom of the screen. Step 2, select the crypto to buy next. Tap on Buy and select Buy Crypto. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. I'll use this one as an example. Then tap Next. Step 3, choose Purchase Type. You'll see two options. 1, recurring purchase. Buy crypto daily, weekly, or monthly automatically. 2, one-time purchase. Buy crypto just once. I'll go with the first option. Step 4, add money to your account. Luno works by letting you deposit money into a local bank account within the app before buying crypto. Tap Add Money and choose a payment method. The available payment methods depend on your country. For me, it's bank transfer, so I'll select that. Enter the amount you want to deposit. You'll see the minimum and maximum limits displayed. Tap Next, then Got it, and finally Continue. Wait a few seconds for the deposit to process. Step 5, buy your crypto. Once the money is in your account, go back to the Portfolio section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, e.g. BTC. Tap Buy, choose your payment option, and confirm the purchase. Since I don't have funds in my account, it's asking me to add money first. But once your deposit is complete, you can continue the purchase easily. And that's it. Buying crypto on Luno is simple and straightforward. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.